Guys, how to do this? Okay, for the question 1, Amy wishes to invest RM40,000 in a bank for 5 years. She has two options, bank A or bank B. Bank A, she will get 3.5% of interest rate. For bank B, she will get 4% for interest rate. For this question, we used formula for find the future value. The future value formula is 1S equals to P, 1 plus K per M. The solution is for bank A, S, if the capital is 40,000, 1 plus the interest rate 0.035 divide to quarterly M equals to 4. M is 4, the years is 5. So we all get the answer is 471613.6. This is for bank A solutions. For bank B, how to do? 40,000, 1 plus the rate is 4%, 104 per divide to M. M is monthly equals to 12. 12, the years is 5. So for the conclusion, we will get for bank B. Okay, this is for bank B. Okay guys, so you can see here which is the amount will be higher. So that's the bank we should choose. So in this we should choose bank B. So which amount will be higher, that's the bank we will choose. So that's all guys.
Okay, for question 2, this is the solution. So in order to find X, which is P in the question, we need to find the last 4 years and then the first 5 years of present value. So using this amount from the question, we apply it to the formula. This is for the last 4 years solution. Okay. Now, using the amounts that we get from the last 4 years, we apply the same formula into the first 5 years. This. Thank you.
Next, let's move on to question 3, which is the question is determine the total interest earned, which is we will use formula interest equals to future value, which is S minus P. So the future value is RM 18,000 and 100, and the P is RM 16,000. So we just need to minus it S minus P. So I equals to 18,500 minus 16,000. So the answer for question A is RM 2,500. For question B, the question asks the value of K, which is this one. They didn't give us the K, which is the red. In this question, we will use formula S is RM 18,500. P is RM 16,000. Now, M is compounded every 3 months, which is quarterly, so it is 4. Now the T, which is time, we use the 3 years. 18,500 equals to 16,000. 1 plus K, which is we need to find M 4 power MT. M is 4, and T is 3. So it will be moved to here. So it is 18,500 divided to 16,000. This we will move here. So 4 times 3 is 12. Here it will be 1 per 12 equals to 1 plus K per 4. Let's solve this first. It will be, so now it will be 1.01271984. The 1 we will move here. This is positive, so we will move here. It will be negative 1 equals to K per 4. It will be equals to K per 4. Now let's move this here. K equals to 0.1071984 divided 4 per K equals to 0.04868. We must times it with 100. So the answer will be K equals to 4.87%. Thank you.
Okay, so next we move on to question number 4. Alright, so number 4, the question is about Amit sold a commercial lot for 180,000 and used 60% of the amount as a down payment on his new semi-detached house, priced at 850,000. He financed the remaining balance with a 30 years housing loan at 4.6 per annum compounded monthly. So the formula we want to use here is A equal to R 1 minus 1 plus I powered by negative n, and then per I. So now we must do 180,000 times with 60%, because you only use 60% of 180,000. So the answer will be 1. So we minus it. So the answer will be 742,000. This is the amount for A. So 742,000 4000 equals to r. We don't know the r yet, so we write just r. 1 minus 1 plus I. I is divided by m, which is monthly. So monthly is 12. And then powered by negative n, 30 times 12. And divided by I also. So we already got the answer, and then the answer is 1. The answer for this one. And then write this down back. And then how we want to find r? We need to move this to divide it by with this. So 742,000 divided by 1. So insert it on your calculator. So after dividing, we already got the answer, which is 3,803.82 cents. So this is the monthly payment for Amir. So that's it for question number 4A. Let's move on to B.
So guys, we move to the question B, which is calculate the interest charge. So how to do this? We go to the formula. I equals to N. R, what is R? R is the monthly. A, what is the A? A is the future value. So what is the formula? And how to find N? We go to this formula. N equals to MT. N equals to M. What is M? M is graph. Divide times to T. T, which is the monthly, 30 years. 30 years. So you'll get 360. So we go to the formula. I equals N 360. R, what is the monthly? 3803.82. 742,000. So we'll get the answer, which is 627,375 point, and we'll get the interest charge, which is 627,375.2. So that's all.
Next, let's do question 4C. This Amir immediately after paying 288 payment, he decided to settle the balance of the loan on the balance. So this is the balance payment, which is 72. 72 is the end. So to find the balance, we will use this formula. So let's dig it in. A equals to 3,803.82 cents. Okay, 1 minus 1 plus I, which is K, or M, 0.046 divided to 12. And this will divide to I again, which is 0.46 divided to 12. Power, negative 72. So the A will be 238,934.72 cents. So this is the answer for question 4C. Thank you.
Okay, now for question number 4. D. If he fails to pay the first 5 monthly payments, find the amount he has to pay on the 6th payment in order to settle the outstanding arrears. In order to find the amount he has to pay, we need to refer to the answer on 4A, which is 3,803.82 cents, and put it on the formula. And with this, we can find the payment he need to pay on the 6th payment, which is 2,304.76 cents. That's what.
Alright, for the last question, number 5. Check price, RM, 89,999. By making a 15% down payment, charge 5.25%. Compounded monthly. So monthly is RM 488. What is the time here? We need to times this one with 15% because of the down payment. So we get 2849.5. We need to minus this with this. The answer will be 16149.15. A equals to R 1 minus 1 plus I followed by negative n and divided by, insert all the information they are given. Alright, after that, you move this to here, divided by 4n. You settle this down. Okay, next, you bring this to here. So, 16149.15 8 times 0.0525 divided by 12, and this just write it back. And then after that, we count this, settle down this, and then also this one. Next, we bring this to here. Okay, after that, we minus this one, we settle down this one. After that, we need to delete the minus, so we delete the minus, and then we insert the log. After that, we need to move this to in front. So this value, this one, you see this? We need to find the log. Okay, and we need to find the n. And we need to move this one to the right and the n to the left. So the answer will be negative 35 at 52. Negative 56, and we cancel out the minus, the negative, and the answer will be 36. So we need to change the 36. We divided it by 12, and then the answer will be 3 years. So that's it for question number 5. That's it from us.